Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. How are you today? I hope you are well and happy. Before we start reading, let me introduce myself. My name is Salsabila Asna. Well, children, today we will learn about the life cycle of animal. Does anyone know what the life cycle of animal is? That's right. So, the life cycle of animal is the process of growth and development of animal is. Then, if you know, do all animals have the same life cycle of animal? Does anyone know? Does anyone know? It is true. It is true that the life cycle of animal is not the same. Does anyone know? It's not the same? If no one know yet, I will show a video about the process of animal life cycle. Please pay close attention.
We are going to learn more about animal life cycles. Did you know that animals undergo different types of life cycles? They can undergo a 3-stage life cycle or a 4-stage life cycle. There are 3 different types of 3-stage life cycles that we can learn about. Let's take a look at the first type. The first stage we are going to look at is the egg stage. For different animals, the egg develops either in the womb of the animal or is laid by the animal. When the young has fully developed in the animal's womb or in the laid eggs, they will either be given birth to or hatch from their eggs. As the young continues to grow, they will eventually develop into adults, which is the next stage of their life cycle. Animals that usually have this type of 3-stage life cycles are mammals, fishes, and birds. Now, let's take a look at the second type. Similar to the first type, the first stage we are going to look at is the egg stage. After some time, the egg will hatch into a nymph, which is the next stage of its life cycle. Just like the first type, the nymph also looks like the smaller version of the adults. Over time, the nymph will undergo molting many times in order to grow bigger. As the nymph continues to eat and grow, it eventually develops into its adult stage. Animals with this type of life cycle are some insects, like your dragonflies, grasshoppers, and even cockroaches. And now for the third type. As usual, the first stage we will look at is the egg stage. Over time, the eggs hatch into the young, which is the next stage of its life cycle. However, the young does not resemble their adults and does not undergo molting as well. Instead, as the young continues to grow, it eventually develops into the adult, which is the next stage of its life cycle. Animals with this type of life cycle are usually amphibians, such as frogs and toads. Now that we are done with the 3-stage life cycles, what about the 4-stage life cycles? Unlike the 3-stage life cycles, there is only one type of 4-stage life cycles. Just like the 3-stage life cycles, the first stage that we will take a look at is the egg stage. After some time, the eggs will hatch into the next stage, which is called the larva stage. In this stage, the larva does not resemble its adult. Once the larvae have eaten enough, they will develop into a pupa. During this period of transformation, the pupa will not feed. Once the transformation or metamorphosis is complete, the pupa emerges from its chrysalis as an adult, which is the next stage of its life cycle. Animals with this type of life cycle are some insects, like your butterflies, your mosquitoes, and beetles.
After you have paid attention to the video that I showed, I have a question for you. You can answer, raise your hand. What animal do you see in the video? That's right. There are chicken, chow, dragonfly, frog, and butterfly. Well, it's good to pay attention, guys. Then, how do the animal mentioned earlier reproduce? Does anyone know? Very clever, you guys. animal reproduce by way of metamorphosis. I will explain to you about the life cycle of animal and how animal reproduce. Please pay attention. Animal life cycle. What is animal life cycle? Animal life cycle of the development process that animal go through from breed to adulthood. The life cycle of animal can be categorized into two stages, namely ametamorphosis and metamorphosis. What is ametamorphosis? Ametamorphosis life cycle of animal that do not undergo significant change in shape, such a new limitation on board animals similar to the adult form. Example of ametamorphosis animal: chicken, cat, and kangaroo. Example of ametamorphosis in chicken. First, here there is a chicken egg, then inside the egg it start to turn into a chicken. Then chicken eggs hatch into a chick, and here it become adult chicken, and will lay another egg, and the same process will continue. Next. What is metamorphosis? Metamorphosis is the process of change from experience by animal that include metamorphosis is divided into two types, and perfect metamorphosis and imperfect metamorphosis. Perfect metamorphosis, the process of change from include four steps. Number one, eggs, the initial stage with the animal lays eggs. 2. Larva, after the eggs hatched, the animal is the larva from. And 3. Pupa, the larva turns into a cocoon, and the last, adult, the animal emerges as adult individual. Example animal perfect metamorphosis of cockroach, grasshopper frog, and butterfly animals. Life cycle of complete metamorphosis butterfly. The butterfly metamorphosis process here first conceive eggs, which they turn into larva and change again to pupa or chrysalis, and the last one will become a beautiful butterfly. And last, imperfect metamorphosis. What imperfect metamorphosis? Metamorphosis, a process of change that only goes through 3 steps. Number 1, egg starting for an egg. And 2, nymphs, young animal are called nymphs. And the last, adult nymphs grow into a mature individual without change. For example, grasshopper and cockroach. Imperfect metamorphosis of the cockroach. Here is example of a cockroach where the process start from eggs, become a small cockroach, and then become adult cockroach. And last, thank you. Did you understand what I explained earlier? Will, if you have understood, now you work in the student worksheet. The image can be downloaded and the link. Before I give you an example of explaining what the text is, let's sing first. Later we will sing together.
How do you grow? How do you change? Then where do you go? Exactly how does your life cycle flow? This is what I want to know.
A bird forms in an egg until it's ready to hatch. It will break out and be baby bird in a nest. It grows bigger until it's ready to fly, and then it lays an egg and it starts all over again.
Where do you come from? How do you grow? How do you change? Then where do you go? Exactly how does your life cycle flow? This is what I want to know.
A frog starts from one of many eggs. It hatches into a tadpole, then it grows legs. It turns into a young frog that grows up, and then a larva. It grows bigger and bigger. It forms into a pupa, also called a chrysalis. And inside it will be starting metamorphosis, which means it's moving and changing all of its things and turning into something else. An insect with wings. A butterfly comes out looking for a mate, and then it lays more eggs and it starts all over again.
Where do you come from? How do you grow? How do you change, then where do you go? Exactly how does your life cycle flow? This is what I wanna know. Where do you come from? How do you grow? How do you change, then where do you go? Exactly how does your life cycle flow? This is what I want, this is what I want, this is what I wanna know.
Let's get right to work in the worksheet. Here there are several choices of animal life cycle. But here I will take example of the life cycle of frogs. Then the first way to work, you can cut this block. Next, you sort the correct order in the life cycle of frogs. After you cut the picture according to the box, let's sort the life cycle of the frog. Is the Rex the picture number 2? Number 2? Yeah, wrong. Is the correct in the picture is number 1? Yes, that's right. Is this number 2? Number 2? Yes, that's right. Is this picture number 4? Number 4? 4 correct? No, quite right. Which number is correct? Yes, this is number 3. Then what number in this picture? Yes, that's right. Number 4. The only 2 left after number 5 or 6. Which one is number 6? No. Which one is number 5? Yes, that's right. So number 6 in the picture, well, after the picture, according to the box. So the life cycle of frogs. The result, this is the sequence of the life cycle of frog animal. You are very smart. Don't forget to order worksheet. You can download the worksheet on the link. Do any of you know understand about this animal life cycle? There is anything you don't understand, you can ask. If you understand, what is the life cycle of animal and how many life cycle is divided into? That's right. The animal life cycle is the development of animal and divided into 2. There are metamorphosis and ametamorphosis. Well, it's true that you have understood everything. Don't forget to improve again and don't forget to study at home. Don't be lazy anymore. Okay, thank you for your attention and cooperation today. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson on the life cycle of metamorphosis animal. Don't forget to observe the animal around you and see you to reproduce. See you in the next lesson. Before closing, let's pray first. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.